Hi, I'm Maddie Lee, and today I'll be talking about puppy mills. This will be my family that'll be listening. Okay. Dogs are like our best friends. We make memories with them. They are there for us when we have good days and bad days. Even though they may not understand what is happening in our lives, they are always happy to be with us. We have them for their lifetime, and they are never forgotten. But if their life started in a puppy mill, it may have been sad and unexpected. I am going to describe what I have learned about puppy mills and how the situation can be improved. Puppy mills are like farms. People are making money off the puppies. They have to sell as many puppies as possible with the smallest expenses. The Humane Society of the United States has said that there are 10,000 puppy mills in the U.S. As many as 2 million puppies are sold each year from puppy mills. The United States Department of Agriculture licensed dog breeders and about 30,000 puppy mills are licensed, but that's only about 1/3 of them. And shipping puppies may be dangerous as they may have to go across the country and buyers and breeders or pet stores. Since the puppies may not have had contact with humans before they are shipped, they might be frightened or have behavior problems. By the way, you can find almost any breeder of dog being born in a puppy mill, including a mixture of dog breeds. Guess which state has highest number of puppy mills? It's United States. Missouri. Because conditions are so poor, in some cases the Humane Society has spent hundreds of thousands of dollars to release thousands of dogs from the Humane Society and puppy mills. Here are some of the brutal conditions that have been reported in these situations. Dogs are kept in crammed cages, often with sharp floors that can damage their paws, legs, and the cages are stacked on top of each other. The cages may be outdoors all year or in a building with very little fresh air. There can be as many as 1,000 dogs in one building. They might not clean the cages. Often the dogs may be covered in their own urine or feces. The dogs may not get outside their cages for exercise or human attention. Their water may not be fresh, their food may be covered in bugs, they might not be getting the best food. The female dogs may be forced to have puppies over and over again. They may be separated from their moms the moment they're born. And they probably are not have much veterinary care. So as a result of these deplorable conditions, the puppies may be sick or poorly socialized. What can we do about this? The government agency that is currently responsible for inspection of dog breeders are not able to keep up with the task. Even though the USDA has a licensing program for dog breeders, there are not enough inspections. In fact, the state of Missouri tried to address this issue with Proposition B, the Puppy Mill Cruelty Prevention Act, which voters passed in 2010. Fortunately, it was repealed in 2012 due to the resistance from Missouri dog breeders. A much watered-down law, the Missouri solution was eventually passed. In my research, I came across an article written by a group of veterinarians that proposed that vets could solve this problem. They proposed creating a certification program run by vets, which they named the Veterinary Council for Breed Stewardship. They propose to clarify breeders and create a venue to sell dogs, which they have identified as puppyproject.org. The service will connect people who want a puppy to one of the certified breeders. They include a promise of pet insurance with the service. This sounds like a good proposal. In conclusion, we can close down poorly performing puppy mills by making sure we get our pets from USDA certified or vet-approved breeders. We should visit breeders and ask them about their license and certification. We can get our pets from shelters. They have some pure breeds, and they screen puppies to see if they get along with dogs, cats, and children. When you get your new puppy home, I am sure you're going to give it a wonderful home with love, good treats, food, and toys. Let's make sure your puppy starts his or her life happy and healthy as well. Thank you.